Hi, Paula Jo from SederQuilts with another how would I make a bag out of this kit? Oftentimes with some of these home decor fabric pieces that I have, some of them are cut on a bias on the diagonal, and so you end up with a big triangle. So one of the things we can do is we can add another triangle to make a rectangle, and that oftentimes is really cute. Or we can use a much smaller portion of the rectangle, and then use these leftovers, these scraps, the stash, for the pockets and the straps and things like that. But I oftentimes like to mix and match things that I might not normally put together, but they will be really cute together. And whichever one is the biggest and sturdiest and strongest, ooh, this is a doubled up. This would be a gorgeous big bag. And I would probably, because I oftentimes like these for delivering quilts, I would want it kind of sort of this way. Of course, the sides are gonna get tucked in a little bit for the edges, but this would be a nice, really wonderful bag. And then I would use this for the lining and for a lot of the accents on the pockets and things. And I think this little vintage looking piece would be great for accent pockets and straps. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so cute. Oh, I can't hardly wait to either make that up or see what one of you is gonna make with it. But yeah, that's gonna be a darling set. And there's plenty of fabric to make other really cute projects with that. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much. Toodaloo.